How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today is the day we are finally cooking on the FEC 100, the Fast Eddie. I cannot wait. I have 2 racks of baby back ribs and 2 racks of spare ribs that I've already trimmed up and got ready. We're gonna get them seasoned up, get them out there. I'm too excited, so let's just get in and get these seasoned up right now. All right, so like I said, I have 4 racks of ribs. I have 2 spare ribs, 2 baby backs. We're gonna season them all up right now. I'm using a base coat of the SuckleBusters SPG, followed by a top layer of my Kickin BBQ honey chipotle rub. So I'm gonna get these seasoned up right now. All right, so here are our 4 racks of ribs, 2 racks of baby backs, 2 racks of spare ribs, seasoned up, SuckleBusters SPG, Kickin BBQ honey chipotle. Very simple seasoning today. I'm very curious about the cook and how this cooker is going to cook. So let's get these out on the FEC 100 right now. All right, so I've had the FEC 100 pre-warming at 180 degrees for 1 hour. Now we're gonna set up our cook. I'm gonna go with smoke for 1 hour at 180 degrees. Then I'm gonna go cook 4 hours at 250 degrees, hit okay. We're gonna hit start. It's ready to go. So let's get these ribs on the cooker right now. All right, so we're just gonna get these ribs on the smoker. Just gonna slide this rack out as a shelf for now. And I think on the top rack, we'll go with the baby backs. And the second rack, we're gonna go with the spare ribs. There we go, we have our ribs on there looking good. These are gonna run at 180 degrees for 1 hour. It's automatically gonna kick up to 250. We're gonna let them roll, get some good smoke, but these are looking awesome so far. So I'll bring you back. Probably gonna check in an hour and see how they're looking once it hits 250 and just do a check-in. I've never used this cooker before for cooking, just did the burn off, which you saw. So I really wanna keep an eye on these and learn how they're cooking. So, but looking awesome so far. Good looking color already. Seasoning looks fantastic. When you get this shut down, we're gonna let them cook for 1 hour at 180 degrees. All right, so it's been about an hour. The FEC 100 has switched over to 250 degrees. I just had the door open to rotate the racks so I can put next week's cook on here. But yeah, so that's why it's a little low, but it was pegged at 250 degrees. So I'm just gonna get this open and show you what they're looking like. All right, so you can see the color on these is looking amazing already. The smell is fantastic coming off of this pit. I'm gonna get that in there. And then right here, you can see we have a little bit of markings. That's just from the ribs dripping down on it. You're gonna get that in a vertical, no big deal. We'll just dab it with a paper towel. And this will also usually wash out in the wrap, so it's really not a big deal. So we'll dab that with the paper towel. Same back here, no big deal. And then if you mess up your seasoning, all you're gonna do is just take and hit it again, and that'll cover everything right back up. And like I said, it's not a big deal. It usually comes out in the wrap. If you're worried about it, just do this method and you are good to go. So I'm gonna get those in there, check back in about an hour, see how they're looking, just so I can keep an eye on them. But yeah, we're rocking at 250 now. I may bump it up to 275 if I need to, because I need to get these done for a party later. But yeah, so everything is looking real good. The smell coming out of this thing is fantastic. So we'll see you guys in about an hour. All right, so 1 hour check-in on these ribs. You can see the color is exactly where I'd expect it to be. They are looking fantastic. Baby backs, money. Spare ribs, money. I just want them to go probably about another hour and then we'll get them wrapped up, but they're looking fantastic. Another hour in the smoke, we'll get them wrapped up. We'll see you in 60 minutes. Right, so we were sitting at about 3 hours on these ribs. Check out that color. Wow. These look amazing. I mean, absolutely beautiful. It's time to wrap these up, get them tender. Won't be too long in the wrap and they're gonna be fantastic, but I am so impressed with this cooker right now. I'm gonna get these in and I'll show you the wrapping process. You're gonna wanna check this out. All right, guys, so here are our ribs. Check out the color on those. They look fantastic. They smell absolutely incredible. I'm gonna get these wrapped up, and I'm gonna be using a half a stick of butter per rack of ribs, some vinegar sauce, and then some Crybaby Craig's hot honey. I think this is gonna be awesome on these, and I can't wait to try them. So I'm just gonna get these wrapped up. All right, so we got the ribs wrapped up. I'm gonna get them back out onto the FEC 100, let them go for an hour, then we're gonna check for tenderness. I'm not gonna show you this process because there's no reason you need to see me put some wrapped ribs on an FEC 100 right now, even though it is really cool. But I'm gonna get these on, we'll check back in 1 hour, see how they're looking. I'm pretty confident they're gonna be done or very close to being done, so we will see you in 1 hour. All right, so it's been about 4.5 hours on these ribs. I'm just gonna check for tenderness, rocking the Fireboard Instant Read. Open these up and just bam, probing like butter, about 205. Yeah, these are done. These are the spare ribs. Go ahead and check the baby backs. I have a feeling these are gonna be done too. They smell phenomenal. Oh yeah. Yeah, same temperature, looking great. Got some bones pulling out there. These are gonna be fantastic. So I'm gonna get these off, let them rest for a few minutes, and show you what they look like. So can't wait to try these out. See you in a little while. All right, so here are our baby backs and spare ribs off the FEC 100. They look fantastic. They smell wonderful. Let's get these sliced up because I have a party to go to. So I'm gonna start off with the baby backs, I think. I'm just gonna set these spares off to the side. We'll get these flipped over, and we're just gonna start slicing. Look at that, extremely juicy, nice smoke ring on there. These look fantastic. I'm gonna get these set off to the side, and we'll get the other one sliced up. Again, beautiful, juicy, great color, nice smoke ring on there. I have no doubt that these are going to be amazing. Now we'll get our spares sliced up. Slicing like butter here. Again, juicy, great color. These look fantastic. One more rack to slice up. Juicy as all get out, just dripping. Nice smoke ring. I mean, that is impressive right there. So moist. This is gonna be my tester. So I'm gonna get these set off to the side. We're gonna jump out and do a taste test. All right, so here we go. First cook on the FEC 100 is done. This rib looks great, smells wonderful, and I can't wait to try it, so let's do this. That is a fantastic rib. The SPG from the SuckleBusters is a solid base. Then you come in with my Kickin BBQ honey chipotle. It is fantastic. I can't tell you how much I enjoy this rib. The FEC 100 did amazing. There's a wonderful smoke profile on these. Not over smoky, but it's very pronounced. Just a solid, good smoky flavor. It's a nice clean bone on that rib right there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.